Morning. I just see that my camera is somehow not charged and my little microphone as well is a bit red, but it's fine. We're going for breakfast and then we have to catch a train. This is the hoodie I got yesterday, by the way. And you know, I did my hair today with this heatless curler method. Too messy. Time to go to the train station, but my car is not moving. I mean, it's coming, but it's not coming. Finally, I have a beautiful taxi, not just. Thank you. I'm a bit late. Okay. Yeah, we made it, kinda, but I still have my luggage here. I don't know where to put it. You're strong. Oh my god, guys. Nice workout, huh? Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Train moved exactly 11:24. And this one is the speediest, the fastest train. As you can see, we're in a train to Kyoto. I don't know why it makes me so excited. 4 days in Tokyo, or how long? 28, 29, 3 days in Tokyo were amazing. I fell in love with the energy and how I feel there. I'm planning to walk around. I'm most excited to go to Nara for deers. This is what I'm the most excited for. I hope the weather is nice because you see now it's raining. You know, I feel very, very calm. I even don't want to talk that much. I'm just, you know, enjoying the moment. And I feel so present. I don't remember the last time I've been so calm in my life. I love it. Suddenly started speaking Russian. Но мне нравится, как я себя здесь ощущаю, если честно. Прям очень нравится. I really love myself here. I'm not in a rush. I'm not surviving. I'm just with the flow. And I think it's just a good reminder for me to how it is supposed to be anywhere I go. So I hope I'll get used to this feeling and I will not let it go anymore. Wow. Oh wow. I don't know where we're on the map or just river. This is where I'm going. So I ordered this udon. Oh, I forgot about this one. I wanted to try. Literally the size of my, I don't know how to show you, but I promise you it's like huge. More pleasant. Yeah, so this is normal one, this is like a
Não, eu já entendi qual que é dela. É fenomenal, é uma maionese que não...
Oh my god, it's running. Do we have time? Are we good? No, we're not. sun was up. It's there. It is still there. Well, something to check out later. Okay. Finally, it's sunny. Of course, after we have to clean it all. The most difficult part here is to find a cottage. But so beautiful. And literally just gonna try to find one little litter. I've been walking with this for like 30 minutes already. Okay, I just thought that last time I found one next to this little thingy. So let's cross. Tomorrow is full moon. Wow.
Where are we today?
The market. Where did you bring me? You think it's crowded?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe ask him.
I caught this in Brazil, remember? I would eat something disgusting, but we don't have cash, unfortunately. Have you tried those?
Which one is this one?
It's banana. It's banana. Smells so good. Try smell it. Yeah. Really? Yeah. Oh, right. It's like wine. Korea color, but yeah. We're trying to find the bar. No idea where, but they say it's a good one. Just to get the gist of the nightlife in Kyoto. Guten Morgen. I noticed that I say a lot. We have to eliminate it. Right now we are about to go to a very, very funny thingy. I'm very excited for it. By train. Fucking at least I hear it. Okay. Right now I arrived to the breakfast area. It's nice over there, I'll show you. But I just need to grab matcha. And at 9:30 I was supposed to be already at the train station with friends and taking a picture for my friend what I'm wearing. Розовая такая кофта. Там две, потому что холодно и дождь. Ну и решила джинсы надеть. My friend is asking where are you and I'm freaking nowhere in my hotel. Okay, so I'll grab matcha and I go to the train station. See you there. Took the matcha. This tiny baby.
You want one people?
Yes. I think we missed the train because I arrived for 9:51.
Quite sophisticated, these trains, right?
But at least we have matcha. No matcha.
No, okay.
It's nice.
Ah, okay.
So
Yeah.
outside?
I've been there. Let's go. Yeah.
Just try and get
What the fuck? What's this?
these.
For okay. I see. There's numbers. Exit. Let's go. Yeah. We're gonna go with you.
Damn, we're getting cozy under the umbrella.
Yeah, and you're warmer. Okay, I think we'll find more.
Okay, we've seen it, let's go back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get biscuits.
Yeah, we cannot. Do it. Wait. Oh, it's so funny. No, it's painful.
That's viral content, that, you know. Matcha queen.
So we literally literally have no garbage cans around here.
Bow down, motherfucker.
Who's next? Come. Let me get.
Oh, you put.
Hi, babe.
ありがとうございます。ありがとう。
Okay. No, don't do this. No, let it go. Thank you. ありがとうございます。
Was it close?
I still have
Yeah,
a little
bro.
bit. But there's so many people, to be honest, I think it's not the best idea. The smell is amazing. Sorry.
Bye.
We've been walking already 30 minutes.
We have a Mexican tour guide.
Mexican tour guide. We're not really sure if he knows where to go.
No, 5 stars.
Cash only?
No way.
Let's say we don't read that.
Like they can find you a place like
He's the only one having cash. From this bag. Dear bit it. I think this is Animal Cafe and we're gonna check it out. Oh my god. Hi.
Take a photo or no?
No, no photo, sorry.
Okay.
Little babies. So many babies.
They faced it.
Thank you very much.
No, but like I saw the photo.
We arrived at the wrong station. So basically we have to go to the second one. This one. I just came down for the spa and I'm trying to upload all the content from my phone and camera, and it's not that easy, so before I have massage I will try to upload everything, and I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. I think the weather and lack of sleep, because I've been sleeping 7 hours instead of like 9, 10, so I need to catch up on sleep. I'll come back after massage. Let's see how it is. The hotel looks very cozy. And I'm late because my friend is already there. We also got the big camera for today. Gonna take lots of pictures. And it's windy, a little bit cold, maybe because I'm hungry. And we're filming on the iPhone. I cannot be asked to take all the cameras, the microphone all the time, so bear with me. We are filming like this without microphone. Sorry. You know, when it's green light, you hear the sound like birds. So it's a sign that you can walk. It's green light, and it's beautiful. Nature sounds, the wooden things. Let me step because the sun is there. And we want to walk on the sun. Okay, let's try this.
Sure.
Oat milk though.
Sure.
Good?
Yeah, like very good.
That's good.
Matcha test. Also decided to try that one. Not that good. This one. Let's try. I couldn't help, and I'm trying this because I just saw it over there. Let's look for the picture. It's not too sweet. I swear I have to go to the muscle bar with this elbow. How did you say it? The hug. Japanese hug. Konnichiwa.
Blue one. These girls here.
Yeah. This is fake, apparently. Arigatou gozaimasu. We're gonna get some strawberries. Those strawberries. Look at the color.
Nice.
Wow.
Marathon.
What should we call you? Who are you?
Motivation.
Yeah,
Good vibes.
you're like my brother.
Oh, you.
They will not think you're my boyfriend. Fuck.
I'm too broke to be Julia's boyfriend.
Amen.
I've not got a B before my status.
I love that one.
And I'm not really in tech, but you know. Music. Music.
Music?
Yeah, the K-pop and that.
K-pop? What? No, Japan pop. Like grilled, you know, no, not fried, just grilled. Wow, it's too good. Wow.
Put it down here, man.
Yeah. We're buying some. This one. Hi. It feels so high. Apparently, it's so difficult to find taxi. Should we truly run away to get the cab?
Oh, this is so cool.
Where is he? Where is he? Oh, it's so hot. He's, oh my god.
A few moments later.
Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. I was so hungry. I needed to order something. Eating in a hotel. This is not my first time when I forget how to film. I'm pressed to film.
We have 120 Japanese one. Kobe beef in stock. I feel possible. This menu is 3 types Japanese version.
Okay.
And the sauce is original.
Can we take the
Oh, yeah.
First time me seeing somebody pouring tea in a wine glass. For what?
Cheers for new projects.
Lots of money.
Lots of money. New project that's for new beginnings, but they begin.
I cannot drink it.
No.
It's too hot.
Wait a second. We're gonna do it again. Can we have ice?
Ice.
Yes, please.
Oh yeah. First day I already burned my tongue so bad eating ramen.
Next dish is matto tiramisu.
Matto tiramisu.
We have the original. Made with bamboo charcoal.
Wow.
It's good.
Mochi. From, remember in Nara? The mochi was
It's very good.
dinner finished and Dubai style. I came for a snack, but I feel so bad. I don't want to eat anything. Like I'm tired of being fat ass. I've been eating so shit. My skin is like doesn't accept it. No. Okay, nothing. Just go home and look at the moon. Okay, I found another store and we failed. We're gonna buy something. Oh, tangerines, yes! Can I eat it the same way I did it today? Oh, thank you, Cook. Or you keep it in this. Okay, where's my 7-Eleven mayo tuna? And that one. Okay, we got something. Okay, let's go back hotel and try not to buy anything else.
We have brisket, some of those cheesy potatoes, and lemon meringue pie, by the way. One meal's not gonna kill me. All right, before you do it.
Remember I told you that I had to get cash? I didn't. And I'm stupid. Because it's only cash. Fuck. Konnichiwa. Cash ATM?
This is very straight. Convenience store.
Okay, okay. Arigatou gozaimasu. We don't have cash. Because I fucked up. I forgot. Let's try this maybe ATM. So just now some guys gave me 500, but I think it's not 500. I saw 200, 300 ticket, but let's see. It's funny, they just gave me money. I need to borrow more money from people. I think I'm gonna be a beggar. Collecting to a ticket to fucking monkeys. Thank you. My name is Julia.
Juli, I'm Carissa.
Carissa. Don?
John.
John. Nice to meet you guys.
Is this your first time in Japan?
Yes, my first time.
You're traveling by yourself?
Yes, solo. It's
Funny, we met a girl at the airport.
this is my second trip solo. And I really, really love it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, you're so cute. Look. Oh, and there's coin. I like that people are engaged and not monkeys. So you can stamp. Yay! Take it. Big one. It could be us, but I'm not sure. So fun. Oh, he's peeing. But there's so many beautiful people too. Like, they look so good. I'm gonna try those. I'm gonna order. I think it should be so good. That looks cool. Let's try.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. So good, right? No. Oh my goodness. His face.
Julia, I'm struggling. Cabinet. Like I'm literally standing on the countertop and I look on top and I found black mold.
Oh wow. Wow, it smells very nice. We'll go sit there. thing I could say that tourists, they ruin experience. There are so many weird people. They're being loud, they talk, they mind their own business, but kinda touching everybody's else space. A bit rude even sometimes to you. I don't know. So there was English guy who was hating on Americans or something. I didn't understand what he said, but it was a bit weird. But when you go out of tourist energies,
philosopher's spot. Right?
yeah, big bite. Where I eat like I'm a homeless person. Bread, tea, sweets, duck ramen. Good. Open. Change the seat. I asked for a little better view, and he put me here. Okay, quite private. Okay, it's good. Yeah. So ramen, there is noodles inside, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so I'll get ramen.
Thank you.
Thank you. He closed the door, so we're super private. Literally no one. 6:19 p.m. Sunset, and that's why the day feels short, and it's becoming cold, and it's not nice to walk. For me, I don't like cold. Yeah. Thank you for watching this vlog, by the way. Let me check the photos. Me and my new best friend. So cute. They really helped me out a lot. Wow. I hope you're liking them on my Instagram, because I'm posting it, or I think I already posted it. And my body doesn't look that bad. I haven't been working out for a long time. 5 days. But still, I feel like I became fat, and I'm judging myself. But what to do? It's fine. Is it spicy?
A little bit. You don't like it? Sorry.
It's fine. I'll just be careful.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, take your time.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's recording right now?
Yeah.
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you.
По дереву, говорю, быстрее, мы какой-то палкой сбиваем, и я такая, это вообще нахера? Он такой, это вечный.
And you know what I like? That I don't know how much everything costs. I remember only the amount I paid for driving the car. I mean, Tokyo Drift thing. It was 30,000, and I was like, 30,000 for this? Like, it's too much. I thought 30,000 was a lot. I'm trying to understand. Okay, 1,000, cheap, because 30,000 is 800 or 100. Girl math. In my mind, there is girl math. So I feel like everything is so cheap here, but I have no idea how much I'm spending. In a way, like, I don't know how much this ramen costs, or ice cream, or I have no idea. As long as it's not 30,000, I'm good. So my phone was dying, and I grabbed this thing. Бездомных собак. Нет, 7-го. I'm planning to stay in bed today and drink my matcha and eat the best, hopefully, sandwich club. The weather looks lovely today. At least not raining. My favorite outfit. This is the best part. Oh. To be honest, I would prefer those taxis over this one that is coming for me. I'll go. Oh, he's coming. Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu. Juli. Look how cool the area is, and I think this is the place for breakfast.
You'll say one for one? You can have a seat anywhere.
It's good that I have cash because they don't accept cards here. I'm ordering. You look so cute.
Thank you. I said mixed sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
We arrived to the matcha place. A bit too sweet. I don't know how to explain this, but since yesterday I had such a strong feeling of gratitude. I was like, I don't know how to explain, but I'm so happy. I'm in Japan, in the middle of Japan, somewhere. I'm just gonna get a train to another city that I have no idea, like a little town, not even a city. I don't know what to expect from there. And then I'll go back to Dubai because I live in Dubai and it's such an incredible place where I have my friends, my routine, my gym, my everything. And this feeling has just been following me those days, and it's such a strong one. It's like, it's breathtaking how happy and grateful I am, and looking forward for the what's coming, you know. And at the same time, it's covered with some kind of sadness. I don't understand what are those mixed feelings, but I'm even gonna cry right now because it's so nice. I already cried yesterday because of how happy I am. This morning when I was walking, I saw a cute little grandma. My grandma passed away 4 months ago, I think. It was December. And she reminded me of her a lot, and I'm like, no, I wish I could send her pictures and show. I got some gifts here, and I forgot to put it in my luggage right now, so I'm just walking around with cigarettes. Cute little matches. And I love this one. Wait, why am I dropping everything? Now my least favorite thing, to find a train and get a ticket also. I need a ticket, pick up tickets.